Tips and tricks for IELTS speaking session. Hello everyone, I am Tanshik from Career Clinic, a leading study abroad consultant. Whether you want to study in Australia, UK, US or Canada, the first thing that comes to your mind is how to crack the English fluency test. Here in this video, we will talk about the tips and tricks for IELTS exam, which is a standardized English proficiency test used for various purposes including immigration, study abroad and employment. The format of the IELTS test is divided into 4 rounds: listening, reading, writing and speaking. In this video, we will focus on the most feared round of the test, which is the speaking round, and the best tips and tricks to clear it. Before we dive into the tips, let's know about the IELTS speaking session of the test that will help you to get over the nervousness of preparing for this round. The speaking session takes around 11 to 14 minutes and has 3 parts. Part 1 is an introduction that lasts for 4 to 5 minutes and asks questions all about yourself. Here you can accept questions about family, friends, work, interests, etc. Part 2 is a general topic that takes 3 to 4 minutes where you will given a topic card and 1 minute to prepare on the topic. After 1 minute, you have to speak continuously on the topic for 1 to 2 minutes without any interruption. Part 3 of the speaking round will be a conversation between you and the examiner. It lasts for 4 to 5 minutes where the examiner will ask you the question related to the topic of part 2. Throughout your speaking round, the examiner tests you on 4 parameters, which are your fluency, vocabulary, grammar and pronunciation. By keeping these parameters in mind, here we have covered the best tips and tricks to clear the speaking round. Tip 1. Know your speaking style. Firstly, you need to know your speaking style. For this, you can record your voice on mobile while speaking on some random topic. That will help you to know which pronunciation you need to set right. Tip 2. Develop your vocabulary. Your vocabulary is one of the parameters the examiner is testing you on. So build your vocabulary and find the synonyms of the words you generally use. Tip 3. Do not remember your answer. You do not have to learn your intro by heart, as the examiner can give you fewer marks if he finds your answer prepared. Tip 4. Speak as much as you can speak in English. You have to find a group with whom you can speak in English. Tip 5. Avoid repetition. Always try to avoid a repetition of word. Instead of this, add more adjective in your answer. So now you are aware of the best tips and tricks to clear the IELTS speaking test. Follow these tips to get your desired IELTS score. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to know more tips and tricks on studying abroad.